how to fix your network provider may charge for SMS messages used to activate FaceTime and iMessage. So if you want to fix your network provider may change or charge for SMS messages used to activate FaceTime and iMessage, then first of all, what you need to do is you need to open up your settings. Now, after opening your settings, you need to just go back to this page. Now here you need to go and check your Wi-Fi or your mobile data. Make sure that it is turned on. After that, you need to scroll down a bit, go with general, and then scroll down again and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Now tap on reset and then reset your network settings. Simply reset all of your network settings and your problem might be fixed. But even after that, if that doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is go to the next step, which is you may have changed your carrier, or your carrier may have been changed for SMS for your FaceTime and your iMessage activation. So what you have to do is simply use WhatsApp or any other social media platform for activation of your iMessage and FaceTime. So you have to make sure that you don't use local text for verification or iMessage and FaceTime. Or you can allow the message. So tap and turn on to allow the SMS to send, because this is the standard Apple activation process for phone number verification. Or you can also sign out of your Apple ID to fix your problem. You can just go back to your settings, and from settings, you need to go with your name, which will be in the top, and then go and sign out and again sign in, and your problem might be fixed. Or you can also go and check your date and time or reset your network settings, as I already said. And at last, you need to restart your iPhone. After restarting, the problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.